This woman is refusing to back up. She came and pulled up right when I was making my turn. She refused to back up. She refuses to make a right turn. So now I'm stuck because I can't back up because there are kids right here. And this is her right here. This is her. I just need you to make a right turn right there. Okay, but you can't go out that exit right now.
Because you're blocking it illegally. Shall I call the police?
This is the
Karen, and I don't want to do that. Karen, and I don't want to do that.
Good and decent people of YouTube, there is no need to adjust the volume on your mobile device. You heard her correctly. And also, I already turned it up in the edit, so you don't need to turn it up. I just did it. That'd be silly. Anyway, you heard her correctly. Karen says if she called the police, then she'd be a Karen, and she doesn't want to do that.
Well, you're acting like one.
No, honey, and don't even go there with me.
Now, we can laugh at Karen's obvious delusion and self-deception, which I did for a long time. But after a grueling 6-week process online, taking my 3rd doctorate in Karen studies and printing it out right here, the diploma on my printer, I'm qualified to tell you, calling the police on people who mildly inconvenience you is indeed a Karen move. But there are other things that can make you a Karen as well. For instance, if you don't back up when a freight truck that's a mile long is trying to turn into a place of business, and you, on the other hand, think your left turn is just that important to you.
I disagree!
Back up, Karen. But listen, there's a lot more to go. This is a long video. I'm gonna leave you guys to it. Just get your popcorn ready.
Karen goes full on crazy at the end of this, trust me.
Where you're using foul language, that's inappropriate.
No, it's not. It's a Karen policy. All the times I want to.
I just need you to go in that parking spot right there or make a right-hand turn.
I need you to stop acting like you're a cop. Dude, you have no
I'm not.
authority over me. You're the one that's
Ma'am, I'm trying to show you the most respect.
You're blocking the entire exit.
I'm
If
trying.
there were fire right now, your company would be sued, not me, you. Move.
I can't.
Then I escalate.
What?
Then I escalate.
Why is your voice all shaky? Why are you all nervous? Why are you all nervous?
I'm not nervous, honey.
All you have to do is back up, ma'am. Can you back up, please? Ma'am, all you gotta do is back up and I can go around you. No, that's okay. Go ahead and back up. Just back up. Ma'am, this is a private property, so it's not illegal. Go ahead and back up. I can't back up because there's kids here. She doesn't want to move. She doesn't want to back up so I can go around her. You can park your car right there. Back your car up, ma'am. I know you don't need to, but can you? Okay, thanks. Can you please? No, absolutely not. Look at what you got. You got everybody backed up right here.
What are you doing? You're not filming children without their consent. You know that.
I'm filming. You're acting like a child. You're acting like a child.
Sir, you have no authority.
Back your car up. Just back up.
Get out over there. There's nowhere for me to go.
Just back up, ma'am. Well, I'm not, because you're using foul language. You're being disrespectful.
Foul language, all I want, dude. Why aren't you just holding
Back your car up.
man? Is that
Can I
wrong?
help you back up?
No, because it's unsafe for the kids, man.
Yeah, I know.
It's unsafe for the
But
kids.
if I watch for you, I can watch
It's
for
just,
you and tell
no,
you.
she's got to move, bro.
Okay. You're in the right, man.
I know. I appreciate it, man.
What's her big argument?
When I was making my turn, then she came speeding up, and she did, now she's causing a
She
big
doesn't know
scene.
how truck works or
Right
something, huh?
away without using a turn signal or anything else.
I had my
That's
turn
right.
signal on.
And you can't block me from my path of exit.
How can he go? What can he, look physically?
Like, you shouldn't have
Look at
tried
the
to
physics.
race me to the
Look
cutoff.
at
I
the
didn't.
physics of this. There's nothing he can do.
Well, what he could have done is been a respectful driver.
Okay,
and
well,
not broken
but we
the-
are where we are.
Why are you all yelling at me?
No, nobody's
Why don't you yell at me?
Nobody's yelling, but like he can't back up. He
That's
can't
his
go
fault.
forward, he can't back up.
That's his fault.
So why is it my fault now?
I didn't say
I
it's
gotta
your
get to my
fault.
daughter.
Take it up with them. Take it up with bonds. Take it up with the cops. Don't take it up with me.
All right, well, you can take
You're
it
the
up
one
with
that's
the
bumping everybody. It's
You
your
can take
fault.
it up with the cops.
I'm at a stop sign.
If he goes by, he's
I'm
going
at
to
a
take the
stop
front of your
sign,
car.
dude. I'm at a stop sign. I'm not blocking it. I'm stupid.
You're obviously,
We got a problem in the Rock Park Highway, so people that are trying to leave us find something.
see, this is what we got to deal with on a daily basis.
But only
Hey,
because I
people,
don't have
like
talk
this.
time for the public.
Oh, there we go.
There you
That's
go.
all you had to do. That's all right.
Man, what's going on?
Oh, she don't want to move, man.
Oh, there's some idiot right there. Oh, hell no. She gotta go.
And despite this Karen's ridiculous entitled actions, doesn't it warm your heart to see a community come together in the agreement that the Karen must go? It was beautiful.
This woman refuses to move. There we go. There we go. Have a nice day, ma'am. Have a great one. Have a great one. Bye-bye. Nice talking to you.
Thank you to all my good and decent people of YouTube for watching this OG Karen throwback with me. Listen, I'm going on a well-deserved, well-needed, much-needed vacation with the family. They haven't seen me. I've been locked down here doing this stuff. It's time. So, I'm going to be putting up a few more of these OG throwbacks, man. There's some of my favorite that I know you'll love too, and they're already scheduled, so they'll be up shortly. Now, I know the audio sounds a little bad, but I have no choice because I got to do some shout outs. You guys have shown so much love. I've had so many people join the channel and join Patreon, and I just gotta say I love you so much and give you your shout outs, give you your just deserve. So let's start with Patreon. Peter Spalding, thank you. Tammy Reed, thank you. Tim TS, thank you. Mustang Sally, been a minute. Holla at me, thank you. Linda Sims, thank you. Kay Bramlett, thank you. David Harleston, thank you so much. Chelsea Baldwin and Danetta Dillard, thank you. Linda Rush and Ellen Algava, thank you guys. Cece, Genevieve Hodge, 007X, thank you so much. Delana C., Ann Edgar, Annabelle Taylor, thank you guys so much. Maria Morris, Adrian Janfield, Sally McKee. Thank you guys so much. Norman Parrish, that's another brand new one, I think. Ron Stanhope, thank you. Linda Zwalch, Angelica Pure, beautiful Efrod, where you been? I haven't seen you in a while. Thank you guys so much. And last but definitely not least, Chelsea Now Tetzlaff. That's for Patreon. Listen, I cannot do this show without you guys. You mean the world to me. Thank you so much. Thank you. Now, channel members. Auntie Karen Lieutenant, Marcy Collins, HTD for life. Auntie Karen Soldier, Danetta Dillard. Auntie Karen Soldier, brand new, Laura Malcolm. And another brand new Auntie Karen Soldier, Kalina's Agility Partner. Auntie Karen Soldier, Tammy Reed again. Auntie Karen Soldier, Linda Sims again. Auntie Karen Soldier, Peter Spalding again. Auntie Karen Lieutenant, Annabelle Taylor, and again. You kidding me? Annabelle, you're killing me. Haha! Auntie Karen Soldier, Savannah Scanlon. Auntie Karen Soldier, Darla Marr. You know I love you, Darla. And Auntie Karen Soldier, Queen Purple. What's up, Queen? Listen, thank you guys again and again and again. You're getting tired of hearing me say it, but I love you. You make this channel go. All of you who support this know that we do more than just Karen's hair. We help people. I wouldn't be able to help the people I'm able to help without you. You did this. Thank you.